Hi, it's Gina from WTI. I found the perfect neutral pillowcase cover to go along with all my other pillows. You can only have so many pillows that are patterned or colored without it becoming too overwhelming. So when I saw these MERNETTE light green pillowcase covers, I knew that I had to have them. They have a rustic look to them that I think is really versatile. It could fit into many different aesthetics, whether that's like a beachy look, farmhouse, or what I've got going on, which is just a hodgepodge of a lot of different things. I was really pleased that when I washed them in my washing machine on the gentle cycle with cold water and then hung them up to dry, there was no shrinking, no fading, and no pilling. I appreciate that it has an invisible zipper because it makes it look really professional and finished. I love the way that it looks in the living room on my couch, and that's where it's going to stay most of the time, but also it looks really good in my bedroom, so I can see that this could be used in many different areas in your home. If you're looking for a rustic or neutral look for your decor, you're going to be really happy with these MERNETTE linen pillowcase covers. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.